In this video, I just wanted to go over some solar panel prices. A lot of people are getting ripped off out there, especially by the big box stores. And I myself have been ripped off in the past. I've made some foolish purchases, not knowing what to look for. Now granted, I did buy my panels roughly about 5 or more years ago, so the solar panel prices were higher at the time. But now they've come down so much, and I'm seeing a lot of the prices in some of the big box stores staying the same. And people don't know any better, and they're purchasing these panels for way above what they should be priced at. For example, I purchased these 40 watt panels individually. Now the listing for these is still the same as what they were when I bought them 5 years ago. These are on sale for $100 from $269 per panel. So when I bought these, I was pretty excited. I was watching the local flyer. I was like, oh, they're on sale for $100. Bam. I bought one, and then I bought two, and then I bought 3 of them. So this is $300 plus tax worth of panels right here alone. So this is 120 watts worth of power. Now you can buy a 100 watt panel now for like $70. So the price of these is way overpriced. And still today, the ad is saying $100 on sale. Now when you purchase one of these, it comes with a little cheap PWM solar charge controller. I just blacked out the name, but all you get is just a little cheap, like 8.5 amp max, 14.2 volt, 13 volt cutoff, 8.5 amp solar charge controller. At $100 and you get a charge controller, you can easily buy a 100 watt panel and your own charge controller. Now the next panel that I purchased, this is a 100 watt panel. From the same store. Now this is save $150, so $250 for a 100 watt panel. You can easily buy 2 100 watt panels, put them in parallel, buy your own solar charge controller for that price. Very easily. You can even buy like a Renogy solar charge controller, 2 100 watt panels, and you're good to go for that price. So definitely got price gouged on this one. Now this one comes with another solar PWM solar charge controller with the 100 watt panel. And this one here is 30 amp solar charge controller that comes with the 100 watt panel. And this is only a PWM solar charge controller, not even a MPPT. Probably I would say about maybe a year ago, after, especially with COVID, I did a deep dive into lithium, solar. I'm going to be building out my own system. I'm going to have a nice size solar array with my grow watt inverter. Now I purchased these panels. This is a 310 watt panel. I purchased these for $200 a piece. So this is $250 and this is $200. Doesn't come with a solar charge controller, but I have an all-in-one unit that's going to take care of that for me. But yeah, just educate yourself, and if you see a sale price, don't think it's a good price. Go out there, look, and see what you can find on your own, because there's way better pricing to be had. I'll leave some products down below if you want to browse through them and kind of see some of the deals that you can get out there. Amazon now has great pricing. The price of solar panels have come down so much over the past 5 years, it's incredible. So just do your own research. This is just a quick video to kind of get this over with, because I want to bring this panel and the other ones that I have in this shop over to the location where I'm going to be doing my build out. Again, thanks for watching, like, subscribe, and thanks you very much.